What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block back again. We're in the garage with the 77 C10 pickup truck, aka the Hot Sauce C10. She's coming together pretty good. Got a few things left to do to get wrapped up. Had a small setback. Fuel tank started leaking. I know you said three wheels. You said the fuel tank was leaking before. Yeah, I fixed the hoses that were leaking. And now the fuel tank is actually leaking through the wall of the tank. So, alright, I went to the 77 C10 pickup truck, and that wet spot right there is fuel leaking through the tank. I'm going to wipe it up with a rag right quick here so it gets nice and dry. Let's see here. Yeah. So that is the mystery leak. It's just leaking right through the wall of the tank. Yep, right through the wall of the tank. So, new tank it is. It's not easily accessible to even try to patch that, and I don't really know that it's worth it. The filler's back there and the sending unit's on that end of the tank, so this is up towards the front. And it looked like it rusted from the inside out. I thought maybe this guard had something to do with it, but nope. So yeah, tank's gotta come back out. I'm gonna have to deal with that, but things are coming along really well. Got the new dash pad in, new old stock dash pad. Got the door panels mocked up. I still need to get the rubber inside here. Getting things buttoned up on the engine. Got the new daymaker in place. Got the amber lights down here at the bottom. It had clear ones in there, so just corrected that. Still got to do the other side. But we are getting closer by the minute. Now, I didn't have this side in because I still had to put the battery tray in. So I was working on something else. I can't remember what it was, but I'm going to go ahead and get this side wrapped up. And as far as the engine's concerned, I've got the heater hoses hooked up here. Upper radiator hose, the lower one's already on. The block was about earlier. We did a little bit of test fire and the engine did fire up. Got an issue with the small issue. Turn these lights off here. Oh yeah. Backlights. That's that glitter mod. You see how bright it is. The lights are on the garage, but you can see that is super bright. Super bright. I mean, like LED light bright. So underneath here, let's see, that flex plate cover right there is making a racket. I think that it's bent or warped, so I'm gonna have to get that up out of there. The block suggested coming in here and disconnecting the transmission cross member, lifting up the back of the transmission, and then you can actually wiggle that up out of there without dropping the exhaust. So we're going to give that a shot and see if it works. ProStar's looking good. Yeah, that's about it. I'm worn out. It's been a long journey in a short amount of time, but we are almost there. I'm going to go ahead and button up this stuff underneath the hood and get that flex cover off of there that's making noise. Then I'm gonna get this thing down on the ground, take it down the road, check my brakes out, make sure it goes through all the gears, and we're gonna get it loaded up and move it to the next location. Well, Hot Sauce spilled some transmission fluid. We're going to have to get that cleaned up. We're going to get it in the garage and get things finished up on this thing.